So you want to create this scene in Blender. Here's how to do it the easiest way possible. You want to first delete your default cube, add in a plane, and just scale it up accordingly. And then once you've done that, you want to make sure you have the blend kit add-on. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave a link to my previous video which explains exactly what that is. And then you can just download that and get back into this video. So with that enabled, you want to just go ahead, and we're going to be using most of our assets here. So I'm going to type in a chair. I'll just scroll through, find something I like, and then drag that into the scene. So I drag it into the scene, and then basically I'm just adjusting it accordingly, moving it to where I want it to be. And for this scene I decided to have two chairs, so kind of facing each other in a slight angle. And then I wanted to put a carpet at the center. That's what I eventually do end up doing. I add in a carpet, I add in a table, and then I go ahead and add some lighting to the scene. I didn't want it to be super complex, just something simple that we could work with, that would be quick and easy for you guys to replicate, and it also wouldn't take up much time. So I found a carpet that I felt kind of matches the scene good. Obviously when you're using add-ons like this, you are very limited. If you aren't making it yourself, you're limited to the designs that you have. So if you guys are gonna go ahead and make stuff yourself, it does take longer, but I generally would recommend it if you're going for something specific. If not, if you're just playing around with Blender and you just want to create scenes just to get the hang of it, of setting up as well, then using add-ons definitely helps you. And if you're creating bigger scenes where you're going to have stuff that you aren't really going to be paying too much attention to in the background, definitely helps. So next thing I went ahead and did was I'm just setting up the backdrop for this studio. So I put the plane in edge select mode. I just extrude this edge up, and then I also adjust it to about 2 meters, and then we just want to extrude a part out for a little bit of a ceiling, because we are going to be putting a light that's going to be hanging down from there. And then I will add up 2 more lights at the back of the wall that we just extruded up, just to give the scene a bit more depth. And then basically I found these cool, as you guys will see, I'm not there yet, but I'm just trying to speed through this because I do want the rest of this video to just be a speed through of it with a bit of music, so you guys can enjoy the rest of it. So I found some studio lighting as well. I bring that into the scene. I just adjust them. Okay, anyway, I added in a light for those, and then just rotated them as well. And then once I felt that was comfortable, I wanted them to highlight the chairs, so I got them to highlight the chairs. And then after that I basically just played around with the lighting just to give it a nice feel. And then I added a few more stuff onto that table. I added a vase, a couple of books, and a few other things just to make the scene feel more livable. And then it was just a matter of playing around with the colors and then getting your camera angle in, and that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on. Cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel